Welcome to using the Pockit Doc with the Chromebook. First thing you want to do is go into the Meet on the Chromebook. Now for students, they might want to have that mic on, but they need to turn that camera off. Now they add the Pockit Doc to the top of the device over the camera. There it is. And add a folder across the keyboard. There we go. All set. Now I go to the apps and I'm going to open up the camera app. Open up all my apps here, go to the right page, it's right here, and there is the camera. I click on it. Now that the camera app is open, I will be able to show the rest of the class what I am displaying. You'll see this is that folder, and there's my hand. I can show anything on here. I can write on here. I can show all kinds of things that are off of my desktop now. I'm going to move it over so I can show the rest of the class, and I'm going to go to Present Now. When I click Present Now, I'm going to present a window. And the Chromebook will ask me which window. I choose the camera. And now everyone in the Meet will see what I am presenting right here. This is great for students and for teachers. If I need to go back to my camera to show my face, all I have to do is remove the Pockit Doc. And there I am on camera. No strings or wires attached. Super easy to use. Thank you for watching.